Hi everyone, today I am going to do this clay art. Clay art is now trending on YouTube, so I thought to give it a try. I am using a cardboard. You can also use MDF board. A quick rough sketch के बाद I am now preparing the clay for art. Let's start with the grass. So I am using the green color to depict the grass. Using the clay tools, after grass I am now working on a tree. स्काई और हाउस को मैं पेंट कर रही हूँ क्योंकि इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू मेक इट विथ क्ले. As it is my first clay art, so I just wanted to keep it very simple and easy peasy ताकि मैं अच्छे से कर सकूँ. Next time I will do some difficult or complex things, inshallah. Again painting the road and now red clay की help से कुछ flowers बना रही हूँ. And this is the final art piece. Let's try some other things with clay. Just follow the process and you can make a flower. Again process को follow करते हुए you can make a heart and you can also use these as earrings. Bye. Don't forget to give a like.